As always, AD Design Show is a community event. It's a community puller. And for me, the win is really in meeting people from all the diverse sort of sectors, whether it's art, it's design, it's craftsmanship, it's fashion and textiles this time. So just that diverse milieu of people that comes together, my heart's happy. We're standing at the Lal Dera. It's inspired by an old Mughal era tent. So this was a contemporary iteration by Sameep Padora's team.
I think ADDS is incredible. I love what they do with craftsmanship program, the GSW. Especially love the speakers forum this year. It's been very exciting, very, very informative.
It's a great space to be in, and the energy that appreciates aesthetics and interiors and design and architecture. And
AD is a pioneer in the field of architecture and design, and where I come from in terms of luxury, we can't think of any other brand to collaborate with. So I think you guys have really created a niche.
The AD Design Show is singularly the most important design show in the country, because this is a conference of different kinds of people with different skill sets who are here to make a beautiful world out of handmade in India.
Our relationship as Indians to textile, that was what I wanted to bring out from this edition of AD Design Show, and I think we've done it.